What was hidden inside this 4,500-year-old pyramid, standing 480 feet above the ground, that researchers had to send a robot with a camera deep inside it just to take a look? At one point, the robotic camera stopped. In front of it was a stone slab blocking the path. Researchers believe that behind this slab lay a secret buried for the last 4,500 years, a secret they were determined to uncover at any cost. So, they attached a drill machine to the robot. The drill pierced a hole through the stone slab. Through that hole, they pushed a camera inside, and what the camera saw had not been seen by a single human being for the past 4,500 years. Welcome back to another mind-blowing discovery from ancient Egypt. Egypt has a total of 138 pyramids, many of them reaching astonishing heights. These structures have survived thousands of years, dozens of earthquakes, and countless dangerous storms, yet not a single one of them has shifted from its place. Among them, the Great Pyramid of Giza is the tallest and the greatest. Its base area is so huge that 9 football fields can fit inside it. More than 2.3 million massive stone blocks were used to build it, some weighing up to 50 tons each. It is estimated that the pyramid's total weight is around 6 million tons, equal to 12 Burj Khalifas. But the biggest question is, why were these massive pyramids built? How did people thousands of years ago, without machines, without tools, without technology, manage to level the ground inch by inch, cut 50-ton stones into perfect square shapes, lift and transport them up to 480 feet, and align each side of the pyramid perfectly at a 51.5-degree angle? Something even modern engineers find challenging. You will find all the answers in this video, so let's begin.